In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save beats to BandLab. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project in the studio and properly save your changes so your work is safely stored in the cloud. First, open your web browser and head to bandlab.com. This is the home base for BandLab's online music tools. On the home page, look toward the top right and click Log In. That will bring up the sign-in options. Choose the Google option to continue. When the Google window appears, select the Google account you use for BandLab and then click Continue to confirm. If your browser asks for permission to proceed, accept it so you can get back to BandLab. After a moment, you'll land on your BandLab feed. Next, go to your library. You'll usually find Library in the top navigation. This is where all your projects live, including drafts, recent ideas, and finished tracks. Open the library and look for the track you want to work on. If you've been editing recently, it will likely appear under Recent. Click your track to open its page. From the track page, click Studio. This launches the full-featured editor where you can make changes to your beat. Give the page a moment to load all your tracks, instruments, and effects. Now you can tweak levels, trim clips, adjust MIDI, swap loops, or make any other edits your project needs. If you're experimenting, it's a good idea to play the section in a loop while you fine-tune volumes and effects so you can hear changes in real time. When you're satisfied with your edits, it's time to save. Look to the upper right corner of the studio for the cloud icon. This is the Save button. Click it to save your work. BandLab will sync your changes to the cloud. You'll usually see a brief indicator that confirms the save. If you're prompted to add a title or a note about what changed, that's a helpful way to keep track of versions, especially when you're iterating on a beat. Give it a moment to finish syncing before you close the tab or move on. A stable internet connection helps ensure everything is updated properly. If you want to double check, you can return to your library afterward and confirm the project shows the latest timestamp. That's it. You went to BandLab, logged in with Google, opened your project from the library, entered the studio, made your edits, and saved using the cloud icon. Keep this flow in mind and you'll never lose a great idea again. Thanks for watching and happy beat making.